important things on social media, it is to write engaging content. And if you don't know how to do it, in today's video I'm gonna share with you 10 writing tips for writing engaging content your readers will love. Here's Vivian sharing with you everything you need to know to become the best social media manager. To develop your skills as a social media manager, to work on social media, you must rock on writing engaging content. I know that's not that easy, but it's only practicing we will develop this skill. And today I'm gonna share 10 tips for you to apply today. My first tip is to write shorter sentences. You don't have to write like William Shakespeare to produce engaging content. Actually, it helps not to be too wordy. Usually, if you write long sentences, you're gonna lose the audience. One great tool you can use for check if your sentence is too wordy is Grammarly, and I use every day and it is awesome, even in the free version. My second tip is to use power words. You do not have your power words list? Power words are words that trigger emotions on people, and smart copywriters are the best doing that. If you learn the words they use, you will absolutely be a better writer. And there are certain words that set off emotional alarms, and I'm gonna tell you 40 of them right now. Scary, you, your, silly, invasion, discover, free, sex, gamble, prison, poor, killer, blue, bad, eliminate, jail, hazardous, beware, assault, elite, threat, afraid, survive, taste, cutting edge, awesome, reverse, incredible, victim, trap, triggers, required knowledge, supercharge, dirty tricks, tools, breakthrough, unexpected, stronger, confession, astonished, reveal. The third tip is to utilize headlines and sub-headlines. Because people don't read online, they just scan over your text. And nothing makes a user want to back off as quick as possible than a huge wall of text. If a person cannot find easily the answer he's looking for, he's just gonna click out and go looking for another shorter answer to read it. And the sub-headlines help you to break the text and make it easier to people find the answer they are looking for. My fourth tip is to use any views of storytelling. Again, it is emotion that engages people. People doesn't remember facts, but they remember a good story. I know you have to emphasize facts, statistics and points on your captions, but you can mix it together with a great story, creating a relatable story. You can even tell about your experience or just invent a fiction one, also is valid. My fifth tip is when you are writing engaging content, you must involve your audience. How are you gonna do this? It's very easy and simple. Be sure to maintain the second person writing style and incorporate words like you, yours, of course, while you are telling your story and using the power words. Sixth tip, never doubt yourself. Do not doubt yourself as an author. Never say, in my opinion. People knows that's your opinion. If you speak in this way, you're gonna scream uncertainty, and people doesn't like uncertainty. Always present yourself as an authority, as an expert. My seventh tip for you is to read a lot. Read a lot of blogs and websites in your industry to stockpile information, to make it bigger and more creative, and to keep your finger on the pulse, what's going on in your area. This keeps you informed and on top of the trends, and you will be able to write from a solid frame of references. Eighth tip, take a break. Your mind needs a break. Remember of the creative leisure. You need to take a break in order to be more creative, to have the mental energy you need to write engaging content, to connect with your audience while writing, thinking about nice stories that can relate to them. For me, it works very well when I take a break, go for a walk, clean up my mind, and I'm ready to come back and start to writing my captions. Ninth tip, do not stress the haters. Yes, they exist and they are bad. So, hate's gonna hate. And don't worry about what people think. Just be yourself, write what you believe in. You know, the biggest mistake you can make is to write thinking about what people gonna think about it. Just be yourself, show who you are, what you think, what your beliefs are. You do not to change to people like you. Writing the way you are, you're gonna find people that will like you, gonna relate to you. You cannot make everybody happy. And you're not writing for everybody. And the last tip is the best tip I can give to you is to create shocking and compelling titles for your captions. It is the headline that is gonna make people click on your video, click on your link to read your blog post, click on see more to read your whole caption on Instagram and spend more time in the platform. So spend time thinking and planning your title. You must begin writing your title first, not at the end, because it is the most important part of it. Put a lot of effort into making a headline that makes your reader want to share your content. And do not forget the keywords, they are important too. And of course, write from the heart, keeping your content concise and to the point. This is the great recipe to create a relatable content. If you follow all these 10 tips, you have in your hands the recipe to engage your audience and grow any social media and convert these people into your customers. That's what you want, that's what your customer wants. And now you know how to write an engaging content. How about have some nice content ideas for your Instagram? So check this playlist. And if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you want to become a social media manager or just improve your skills on social media, subscribe to my channel and join me in this journey. See you in the next video.